Hey everybody, Mike from Spectre Comics. Today's step-by-step drawing tutorial is how to draw Kirby. The image on the screen will be our reference for this drawing. I'll try to make this drawing as easy to follow as possible. Now if you have any suggestions for future how to draw tutorial videos, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos like this. Let's grab the items we need for this drawing. I've got my paper, a pencil, a thin eraser, a fat eraser, and a brush to sweep away the eraser shavings. Links to all my art tools are in the description below. Let's get into the drawing. Now I'll place an image of Kirby in the upper left corner so you can see the reference while we're drawing. If you want to see the colored version of this, stick around to the end and I'll show you how it turned out. So this will be one of the easier drawing tutorials we do, since Kirby is really just a big pink circle. So grab your pencil and draw a loose, sketchy circle in the center of the page. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just keep it loose and sketchy. After you get your circle just about right, we're going to create a bisecting line a little off center to the left, right down the middle. So curve a line from the top of the circle to the bottom of the circle, just off center to the left. And we're going to draw his feet. He's in a jumping position, so you're going to draw a egg-shaped kind of foot for his left foot. And then his right foot is like pushing off the ground. So draw an egg shape off the bottom of his body that goes down to a little curved point and back up, overlapping his left foot. Now his hands are just little half circles raised up in the air. So on the left side of the circle, draw a curved line, and then do the same thing on the right side. Because the left arm is kind of in the forefront, you're going to connect it with a curved line at the point where it touches the circle. Now we're going to draw his eyes. His eyes are just vertical ovals, so right off the center line in the upper part of the circle, draw a vertical oval. Match that on the other side for the other eye, that same distance from the center line as the first eye. Between the ovals, just draw a little circle for his mouth. You can add the little colored circles for his cheeks on either side of his eyes. Now in his eyes, draw another circle for the shine, and another curve below that to just show the color separation. You can pull your eraser out and start erasing some of the guidelines and clean up the drawing a bit. Any lines that overlap or are visible that shouldn't be, erase those as well. Now everything's very sketchy still. We're going to finalize the lines by darkening them. So now the lines are getting a little harder, a little darker. These are going to be the final lines of the drawing. You can erase with your thin eraser the sketchy lines alongside. If you want to give the left shoe that's up in the air a little bit of a 3D look, draw a curved line around the edges to make it look like you're looking at the sole of his foot. I'm just continuing to solidify and finalize the line work and erasing the sketchy lines beneath. If anything doesn't look right, feel free to erase it and draw it again. Keep trying until you get it right. If you have trouble controlling the pencil when you're drawing some of the lines, feel free to turn the paper so you have better pencil control. Rest your wrist on the page and use your hand for leverage on the paper to control the pencil a little better. There's really not much to Kirby, so this is a pretty quick and easy tutorial to follow. I'm using an HB lead, which is a little softer of a lead and tends to smudge on the paper, so if you happen to do that, use your fat eraser to clean up the page. After you finish his body, arms, and legs, finish up with the eyes and the mouth. Now because I'm going to color this later, I'm going to leave the eyes not colored in or shaded in, but if I was just leaving this as a pencil drawing, I would keep the circle at the top of the eye white, and I would shade in with the pencil the bottom half. Finish up the mouth and put a little curved line in there for his tongue. And I'm keeping his little colored cheeks very light because again, I'm going to color this in and I don't really want it to show up through the paint. But here is the final drawing of Kirby. And here is the painted version. And if you want to see how I painted Kirby with Posca Markers, I'll pin my 20-second shorts video in the comments section. That is it for this how to draw tutorial. Again, if you want to know how to draw any character, let me know in the comments and I'll make a step-by-step tutorial how to draw video breaking it down for you. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials. If you want more how to draw videos right now, check out this one on the left.